Hey everybody, Bekka here. Today I am going to talk about the herb Manglier. So let's get started. If this is your first time here, I'm Bekka Laurent, and I'm here to empower you with knowledge of a natural health lifestyle. And recently I was able to do an interview with Susan at Torrent Valley Marketplace about this herb right here, which is Manglier. So I am going to just start rolling that particular interview.
Good morning. This is Susan with Torrent Valleys, and I am over here with Bekka's Planet. How are you doing today, Bekka?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing great. So I've already stepped over and I've asked for some Manglier, which is right here. These fresh herbs. And I know what Manglier does a little bit, but I want you to let everyone else know, what does Manglier, what is it good for, and what does it do?
Well, Manglier is a folk herb that the Creoles use in Louisiana for just about anything to do with chest congestion. It's also called the consumption tree, so it could be used for like tuberculosis, and they also use it for colds, flus, and even COVID. Though I haven't tried it for COVID, but I can see the medicinal properties of it, and can understand why they're using it for that. But I'm so excited to bring this in as one of our new herbs.
Awesome. And so what I'm going to do with this Manglier is I'm going to take it back into our kitchen, and I am going to brew it. I'm going to add some different ingredients to it, agave, maybe some honey, lemon, and I'm not sure what else I might put in there. I think last time I put maybe some pineapple juice or something in there, but I'm just going to spice it up, maybe cinnamon sticks, and make a big tea and drink it hot, and try to keep my respiratory system as good as possible during this season that we're in right now. And so that's what this is called. If anyone is interested, it's called Manglier. If you can see, you can come in and you can get some at Bekka's Planet inside of Torrent Valley's Marketplace for only $2 per ounce. This right here, is this an ounce right here?
This is an ounce right here.
Okay, so look how much you will be getting for $2. That's a lot. We can brew a lot off of that. So don't think that healthy costs a lot. You can get in abundance and take care of yourself for a little, right?
Right.
All right. Well, that's it for today. Manglier was the thing of the day. You guys have a wonderful day. Bekka, anything else?
Come see me.
All righty. 131 Circle Way, Lake Jackson, Texas. You guys have an amazing day.
So if you liked that interview, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the herb Manglier, leave them in the comment section below, and I will address them accordingly. I will talk with you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and Herbal on. Bye.